Welcome back. It's now time for Midday Sports.
A new champion will be crowned in the Cricket West Indies Women's Super50 Cup after holders Jamaica suffered a shock 1-wicket defeat to the Leeward Islands women at Warner Park in St. Kitts on Monday. Led by half-centuries from captain Rashada Williams and Abigail Bryce, Jamaica's women batting first piled up 257 for 9. Williams top scored with 86, including 8 fours, while Bryce scored her maiden regional half-century on her way to 72. Jodie and Morgan, 35, and Corinne Hall, 12, were the only other batters to reach double figures. Kimberly Anthony bagged 5 for 34, while Jazara Claxton and Amanda Edwards had 2 wickets each for the Leewards. In their run chase, the Leewards women, thanks to a superb 88 not out from Amanda Edwards, got to victory at 257 for 9 with 3 balls to spare. President of the Jamaica Football Referees Association, Valdin Legister, says based on recent meetings, there will be no football until the referees are paid what they're owed. TVJ Sports understands that an offer was made to pay the referees for this week's games as they look to settle the outstanding amount, but the officials flatly rejected the approach.
Yesterday we had a meeting and the proposal that was put on the table for the referees is that all monies outstanding must be paid over before the referees resume their duties. I don't have the exact figure, but the information that I got, it is just under $8 million that is owed to the referees. So I am hoping that soon that money or those monies will be paid over so we can resume duties and the people can get the football that they love so much.
Meanwhile, a TVJ Sports source revealed that the PFJL has asked the JFF to assist via a loan agreement to settle the debt with the match officials, but no agreement was reached on Monday. This development leaves a huge cloud over the next round of matches in the JPL set for Thursday. But Legister says once payment is made, the referees are willing to get back onto the field. The champions of the Jamaica Independent Schools Association (JISA) Under-19 football competition will be decided later this afternoon. Distinction College will host Hillel Academy in the grand final at the Barbican Field. The match is scheduled to kick off at 3 p.m. And that is it for your midday sports roundup, and I am Jermaine Brown.
Thank you, Jermaine. And that's the Midday News. I'm Carrie Simpson. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports, and production teams, good afternoon.